Hi everyone, the DX family of cameras in the Nikon Z system now includes the Nikon Z52. It is not a new camera series, rather, it is a direct replacement for the Z50. Despite being much bigger and chunkier than the Z50, the Z52 boasts a completely articulating flip-out screen and a more comfortable grip. The viewfinder has a new cover design and is brighter. The camera can download picture controls via the Nikon Cloud service and includes a dedicated picture control button. Subject identification and autofocus have been enhanced with the Z52. Pre-release capture is supported, but only in JPEG format. New RAW formats with excellent efficiency are supported by the camera. Its buttons and features can now be customized more easily. With a 1.5x crop, the Z52 can capture images in 4K at 60 frames per second. With 5.6K oversampling, it can also shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second. N-Log 10-bit 4K video recording is supported by the camera. Both DX and full-frame Z-mount lenses work with the Z52. A brand new DC 3-cabled remote control is included. Overall, with increased autofocus, video capabilities, and customization possibilities, the Nikon Z52 was a substantial improvement over the Z50. For anybody looking for a flexible and reasonably priced still and video camera, this is a fantastic option. A notable improvement over its predecessor, the Nikon Z52 offers a tempting feature set for aficionados of both photography and videography. Here is a thorough analysis of its main features and capabilities. Image sensor, superior image quality, particularly in low light, is guaranteed with a 20.9 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor. Autofocus system. The 209-point phase detection autofocus system is perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects because it offers quick and precise focus acquisition. Shooting speed. Photographers may easily capture pivotal moments with a continuous shooting speed of 11 frames per second. Image stabilization. Especially in low light and with telephoto lenses, the 5-axis vibration reduction technology efficiently corrects for camera shake, producing crisper photographs. Display. You can compose photographs from a variety of angles thanks to the 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD. The scene may be seen clearly and in clarity through the 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder. ISO sensitivity. The broad ISO range of 100 to 51,200 allows for photography in a variety of lighting scenarios, including dim interiors and bright daytime. Video capabilities. The Z52 produces high-quality footage by supporting 10-bit 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. There is a 1.5x crop option for 4K video recording at 60 frames per second for faster action. For slow motion effects, full HD video recording at 120 frames per second is also the best option. Lens compatibility. The camera may be used with full-frame Z-mount and DX format lenses, providing a variety of choices for various photographic requirements. Remote control, remote photography and time-lapse photography are made possible by the new DC 3-cabled remote control, which offers exact control over camera settings and shutter release. Small and light, perfect for daily photography and travel. Superior image quality. Images captured by the 20.9 megapixel sensor are crisp and detailed. Quick autofocus and quick shooting speed make it perfect for catching subjects that move quickly. Versatile video capabilities. Capable of shooting videos in 4K and full HD at different frame speeds. Sturdy construction. Weather-sealed body for resilience in harsh environments. Easy-to-use interface. A menu system with intuitive controls. Crop factor. The effective focal length of lenses is constrained by the DX format sensor. Limited battery life. For longer shooting sessions, extra batteries could be needed. Cost. In comparison to other entry-level mirrorless cameras, the Z52 is somewhat pricey. All things considered, the Nikon Z52 is a strong and adaptable camera that provides a tempting feature set for lovers of both photography and videography. It is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-performance camera that is portable and simple to use because of its small size, superb image quality, and sophisticated video features. For photographers and videographers searching for a flexible and reasonably priced camera, the Nikon Z52 is a fantastic choice. It has many shooting features, quick and precise autofocus, and great image quality.